When it comes to Maria, when it comes to getting ready, you'll never be ready for a monster like that again. I don't think. I know that I told myself, if it happens again, I'm going back. Not that I want to be back, but how can you live with that over your head all the time from what, June through September or October? It's scary.